I'm super excited for you to come on the Black Disruptor Data Analytics and Project Management Bootcamp. This bootcamp was designed with you in mind. So as students, you'll be expected to learn all things data analysis using Python, using SQL, and also understanding project management principles within data. So one of the great things about this course is that it's a fully remote course, so you can do it at the comfort of your own home. And also it's part-time in the evenings. We understand that some of you may still want to continue working. We make sure that you don't just come to class, but we also provide you with things like our empowerment evenings, where we invite experts already working in their fields. We also have tutors who are senior analysts and also tutors who already are working in industry. At the end of the Data Analytics and Project Management Bootcamp, you get the Microsoft Azure AI certification as an associate. Microsoft Azure is an AI certification that helps you to stand out amongst your peers and when you're actually dealing with data. This course allows you to be able to work in data analysis or project management or in both disciplines. Typically, the type of roles you'll be going into are junior analysts, junior data analysts, business analyst roles, which can range from anything between £25,000 per annum as a junior all the way to £45,000, depending on the company that you end up in. So we understand that it might be difficult for some of you to feel like taking that plunge from maybe not being in tech at all to now going into a full-fledged junior role. We have level 4 apprenticeship options for you to go into cybersecurity, data analytics, and software engineering.